This is an emergency action notification. All normal programming has been interrupted due to this emergency action notification message. We interrupt normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. A missile is inbound to the following states: Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Tennessee, Louisiana, and Mississippi. This is not a drill. If you are in one of these states, seek a fallout shelter now, or evacuate your city. If you are within a 300-mile radius of these cities, take shelter now. A radiological hazard warning has been issued for your area. Please stand by. Do not go outside. This is a radiological hazard warning. A radiological hazard warning means radioactive material is outside or inside of your city. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire city of New Orleans. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Again, a radiological hazard warning has been issued for the entire city of New Orleans. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. This is nuclear fallout. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear weaponry, which can kill with radiation sickness. If you are lucky enough to survive, then you will have extreme nausea and fatigue. If you die and come back to life, then you will not experience anything.
I know what's in there.
Where's mine?
If you do not breathe it in, you will be lucky. This message will now repeat. Do not go outside. This is a radiological hazard warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of NORAD and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A radiological hazard warning has been issued for the entire city of New Orleans. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. This is nuclear fallout. Allegedly. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear weaponry that can kill people with radio sickness. Now, do not go outside I repeat, do not go outside. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for surrounding areas of New Orleans. This is not a drill. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire city of New Orleans and surrounding areas. Repeat, this is a shelter-in-place warning for the entire city of New Orleans and surrounding areas. There was a nuclear attack a few hours ago. And there is nuclear fallout left. A shelter-in-place Repeat. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire city of New Orleans and surrounding areas. Bring food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a hand crank or battery-powered radio by NOAA. Hey, so you can be notified of any events or when this alert is terminated. The alert termination. Administrative message for the entire east coast of the United States. The radioactive fallout has cleared. You may exit your shelters now. Check your NOAA battery-powered or hand crank radio. Repeat. Administrative message for the entire east coast of the United States. The radioactive fallout has cleared. You may exit your shelters now. Check your NOAA battery-powered or hand crank radio. Emergency action termination. It is now safe to exit your shelter. It is now safe to exit your shelter. Take what you had left of your food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlights, and battery-powered or hand crank radios. You may now exit your shelters. It is now safe to go out. You may now look off. You may now change the channel.
Yo.